Hello, my name is Oscar APAZA. Today, I'm going to talk about cryptography, making an introduction to this science that deals with encrypting data so that they can travel through a network medium or the internet and can reach their destination without being decrypted or discovered by any attacker or message interceptor. I have chosen this topic because I like very much how people and science, hand in hand with technology, have been perfecting the art of encrypting messages that travel through some kind of medium such as the internet. I'm going to talk about the basics of cryptography, as well as the substitution methods that are an important part of this science. Cryptography is very important. When sending or receiving personal information or secret by technological mediums. Cryptography is present, for example, in sending message through applications such as Telegram, or in online banking transactions, or in sending an email. This so that this message, while they are in the sending channel, can be intercepted, and if they were so, they can be deciphered by the interceptor. All start in Sparta, when their army used the Sparta cane to send and receive encrypted messages. In this case, the message was written on a leather tape, which was wrapped in a cane with a definite radius. The radius had to be known by the receiver to be able to wrap the tape and read the encrypted messages. The word cryptography comes from the Greek cryptos, which means hidden, graph, which means writing. Textual cryptography means hidden writing. Cryptography is the science of safeguarding the content of documents using encrypted codes or encryption algorithms, so that they can't be accessed through a network or the internet. The set of elements that make up a cryptographic message is known as a cryptosystem, which is composed of a sender, the message, the encryption key, the medium, the decryption key, and the receiver. Many forms of writing with the passage of time have become lost scripts and enter into the study of cryptography. Many of these, thanks to others, have been deciphered, as in the case of the Rosetta Stone, that helped to decipher the Egyptian script, because it also contained the ancient Greek script that was already a known script. Other scripts are born encrypted, such as the Chinese script, because it's ideographic and because it is not common worldwide. It has a certain degree of implicit encryption. The classic encryption method operates on the letters of the Latin alphabet, numbers, or special characters. For example, if only capital letters are used, it will operate on 27 characters. If numerical characters are added, it will be 37 characters. If lower letters are added, it will be 64 characters. On the other part, language statistics indicate that there are terms on characters that are used more frequently than others when writing a certain text. For example, in the literary work Don Quixote de la Mancha, there are 18% of space and 11 of characters E and 10 characters E in total in all its words. One of the methods used in cryptography is the substitution method, which indicates that characters must be replaced by others that can be of the same alphabet or another. For example, replace the character A by C, the character B by D, and so on. Within these methods, we can mention the Big Pen method that replaces the characters by symbols determined for each character. For example, if we want to encrypt 6, we locate the symbol that will replace the character. For S, this will be a symbol. For E, this will be symbol. For I, this will be symbol. And for S, this will be symbol. In this way, we will have encrypted this piece of message, and the result is the one that can be seen on the screen. Another method used in ancient times was the method invented by Julius Caesar, who used this method to encrypt messages and send them to his troops. This method consists in shifting the characters on the Latin alphabet to the right. For example, the value of character E would be D. The value of character B would be E. The value of the character C would be F, and so on. Cryptography today is based on more complex algorithm support by mathematics to strengthen the encryption process. It is expected in the future to be able to use quantum computers for the seize of the keys as time goes by becomes too large to avoid being deciphered, and needs this type of computers to speed up this process. Finally, the objective of cryptography in the daily transactions that the people make through the internet is to protect that they are made properly, and that both the sender and the receiver are sure that the information is true in both directions. Well, here ends the exposition of this topic that I titled Introduction to Cryptography. I hope you found it interesting. I say goodbye without thanking Focus Your Mind for having helped me with the learning of the English language. And I invite you to train in it. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.